Hello, I'm Ian, and today I want to introduce you to the powerful tools from Strategyzer, the business model canvas and the value proposition canvas. I learned these tools in person from the Strategyzer founders back in 2015. They are essential for anyone looking to innovate, start, or improve their business. The business model canvas is a strategic management tool that allows you to describe, design, challenge, and pivot your business model. It consists of 9 key building blocks and offers a clear visual representation of your business model on a single page. This makes it easier to understand and communicate compared to the often lengthy and complex traditional business plan. The canvas allows for quick adjustments and iterations as your business evolves. It's designed to be a living document that can be easily updated, unlike a static business plan, which can become quickly outdated. The value proposition canvas focuses on the relationship between products and services and customer needs. It consists of 2 main sections: the customer profile, which refines your target customer, their jobs to be done, pains and gains, and the value map, which describes how your products and services relieve pains and create gains for the customer. In my workshops, I guide participants through hands-on exercises using these canvases. I begin by introducing the theory and the principle behind the canvases. Then in groups, we work on real-life scenarios, learning from successful value propositions. The training will help discover new opportunities and strategies for growth, and will develop practical plans that can be implemented immediately. The business model and value proposition canvas are transformative tools that can significantly impact your business strategy. Join my workshops to learn how to effectively use these tools and take your business to the next level. Contact us to schedule a training session or to learn more about how these canvases can benefit your organization.